Welcome to today's Economic Developments and Market Movements Update for February 25th, 2026. We're diving into the key economic developments and market movements that shaped today's trading session, starting with a look at global risk. First, let's explore the shift in global risk sentiment. Risk sentiment showed recovery today, boosted by a significant investment announcement in the tech sector and a rise in U.S. consumer confidence. This recovery led key U.S. equity indices to bounce back, successfully retracing much of yesterday's sharp fall. Next, we turn our attention to European markets and the impact of trade policy uncertainty. European markets remained flat, as investor sentiment continues to be weighed down by ongoing uncertainty surrounding U.S. trade policy. Clarity may come later today, as the U.S. president is expected to address tariffs, the economy, and negotiations with Iran in the State of the Union address. Now, let's look at the performance of the bond and currency markets overnight. Movements in bond yields were muted overnight. We saw a slight sell-off in treasuries, which caused yields to tick higher at the shorter end. In the currency market, the US dollar was slightly higher against major currencies, while the Japanese yen was the underperformer. Conversely, the Australian dollar remained broadly unchanged, holding steady through the session. Finally, let's turn our focus to the Australian market and key upcoming events. Upcoming data presents key risk events for the Aussie in the coming week. Investors will be closely watching the inflation data and construction partials, which are crucial inputs for next week's national accounts. That wraps up our economic developments and market movements for today. Thank you for tuning in.